Hello viewers, you are watching a lecture series on engineering graphics. This is a third lecture on sectioning of solids. In this video, we will discuss two problems in which the cutting plane is inclined to either HP or VP. The statement of first problem is this: a hexagonal pyramid of base side 25 mm and height 65 mm is resting on its base on HP with one of its side parallel to VP. It is cut by a section plane inclined at 60 degree to HP and passes 40 mm above the base along the axis. Draw the two shape of the cut surface of the pyramid. So here is the solution. First of all, you should have to draw the top view of hexagonal pyramid, then take the projection from this top view towards VP and draw the front view of hexagonal pyramid. After drawing the top view and front view, we have to cut this solid. So take a distance 40 mm from the base along the axis in front view, and at an angle of 60 degree draw a cutting plane or section plane. Mark the key points 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash on this cutting plane, and then take the projection from these key points towards top view. When you are taking the projection from 1 dash, mark 1 1 on the base edge. AB is the base edge, AF is the base edge. Because this 1 dash is on the base edge in the front view. So on these two base edges, this point should be shown in top view. When you are taking the projection from 2 dash, it should be on OB and OF, because the point 2 dash is on O dash F dash and O dash B dash in front view. When you are taking the projection from 3 dash, in front view O dash C dash and O dash E dash are the two edges on which this key point is situated. So take the projection from 3 dash and mark on OC and OE in top view. Take the projection from 4 dash and mark on OD, because in front view point 4 dash is situated on O dash D dash, and join all these points 1 2 3 4 and show the sectioning. This is the apparent shape of the section, because the sectional plane or the cutting plane is inclined to HP. That's why it is true shape. It is apparent shape of the section. How to draw the true shape of the section? Take a line x1 y1 parallel to this cutting plane line, and from these key points draw a perpendicular to this x1 y1 line from 1 dash, from 2 dash, from 3 dash and from 4 dash. Take the perpendiculars towards this side, and then the distance of these key points 1 2 3 4 from x1 y1 should be same as the distance here below xy line. Okay, then you can draw this view. This is a true section. This section is apparent and this is a true section. The second problem is a pentagonal pyramid of base 30 mm and axis 60 mm has its base on HP and an edge of base parallel to VP. A section plane perpendicular to HP and inclined at 45 degree to VP cuts the solid at a distance of 12 mm from the axis. Draw its sectional front view and true shape of the section. This is the solution of the problem. First of all, draw the top view of pentagonal pyramid, then take the projection towards VP and draw the front view. Then we have to cut this solid, and the cutting plane should be inclined to VP. So this is a cutting plane. It is inclined to VP at an angle of 45 degree, but the distance of this cutting plane from the axis should be 12 mm. So how you can maintain this distance? open your compass 12 mm and draw this arc. So the distance from O is 12 mm here. And now draw a tangent on this arc, and it should be at 45 degree to XY line. So this is a cutting plane line. Then mark the point 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the key points. And then from these key points, take the projection towards front view and draw the sectional front view. This is the apparent shape of the section. So one thing you should have to see here, that when you take the projection from 1 and the projection from 4, these 2 points are on XY line, on the base in front view. Why on the base on front view? Because in the top view, the key point 1 and key point 4 is on the base, and point 2 is on OA in top view. So in front view, the point 2 dash should be on O dash A dash, and point 3 is on OE in top view. So in front view, the 3 dash should be on O dash E dash. But the exact location of this 3 dash is difficult to obtain when you directly take the projection from the point 3 towards VP. So you should have to open your compass at a distance of O3 and then draw an arc towards OD, and then take a vertical projection and cut this projection on O dash D dash. Take the horizontal line towards O dash E dash and mark here point 3 dash. So this is the exact way to locate this point. And then how to draw the true section? Parallel to section plane, draw a line x1, y1. Take the projection from all key points from 1, 2, 3, 4, and from x1, y1, the distance of these key points should be same as here from xy line in front view, and join all these points, and this is a true sectional front view. So that's all. Thank you.